Hello everyone, welcome to GEEKERMAG. Windows Recall is a most anticipated feature of the Windows 11 version 24H2 on Copilot PCs. Most of the users are not happy with this feature because it takes screenshots of the activities they do on the PC. The good thing is there's a setting using which you can completely disable this feature. I have already covered a video on how to do that, but there's another good news for those users who don't like this feature. Microsoft now allows users to enable or disable recall during the installation by keeping privacy control in mind. But before we move forward and learn more about it, if you find this video useful in any way, please consider subscribing to the channel as this encourages us to create more similar videos. With this recent update, Microsoft allows users to control Windows Recall while setting up Windows 11 during the installation. Unfortunately, I don't have a Copilot PC, so I'm guiding you the process via screenshot shared by Microsoft in the blog post that will help you in understanding this setting better. While installing Windows 11 version 24H2, you will see a dedicated page for the Windows Recall feature where you will find information about what the Recall feature does. Now, if you take a look at the bottom, you will find an option that reads Allow Windows to save snapshots of your screen. If you want to disable this feature, then click on the No Don't Save option. And you're done. This is a good change by Microsoft. Still, what do you think of this step from the company for the recall feature? Let us know in the comments. So that's all about this video. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel to get notifications about more similar videos. Thanks for watching.